So again, what are some of these advantages of having more cameras, 3 or more? You can achieve definitely a more professional look, maintain audience interest by switching in and out, so on and so forth. You can help your audience focus on points of interest, like kind of what we're doing right now with the screen. And you could have a backup camera in case one craps the bed or something like that. Bam, look, you still have 2 cameras working. It's not the end of the world. And it also allows you to access more options to reintroduce and repackage production in post. You have more options. They were there. So if something bad happened live, like it's happened with us a few times, having multiple cameras has allowed us to go back in and fix it. Now for Sports-Gymnasium, this is actually what got me into live production, was college basketball. And essentially, it's kind of the same thing as a theater. You're going to want to keep that 180-degree line. That's really important, especially because you have teams squaring off one after the other. One's shooting baskets on one side, the other shooting baskets on the other. So keeping that 180-degree line keeps everything nice and easy for the audience to follow. Camera 1 is a side light cam. That's a wide, capturing as much as possible. Maybe panning left and right a little bit, but not overly much. It's supposed to get as much information as possible on screen at one time. And that's usually the one that you use for the most part. Then you have camera 2, which is for a goalpost or a basket in the case of basketball. Camera 3 is the other one. Your bonus camera is actually for like scoreboard feeds and so on and so forth, like how we keep pulling up the slideshow in the back to be a screen. You could have that be the scoreboard like that. That could be the scoreboard. That's just another camera that you can cut to add production value to your streams. And again, I really want to emphasize this. All your cameras should be pointed in roughly the same general direction to keep your 180-degree line. So here's our diagram. Pretty simple. Camera 1, a wide, to capture as much as possible. It can pan left and right. It could tilt up and down and stuff like that. Camera 2 can focus way over here, get a good wide shot over here, another point of view, or it could get some close-ups over here when the action comes down over there. And the same thing can go for camera 3. Camera 3, its wide is over there to really focus over here, and then it could pan up and down to get some close-ups over here. And your bonus cam, I actually like to have one focused on just the coaches, because sometimes their reactions just add so much energy to the actual game itself. Like if somebody calls a foul or something like that, and I think that's hysterical. Another camera that you could possibly have a Z cam mounted, looking down into the baskets during foul shots, or even during regular shots. So you can get a good view looking down at the basket. Here's an example of a Z cam, looking down, stuff like that. So, but imagine that looking down in the basket while somebody makes a shot. That'll look great on a live stream.